It's a lovely shot up on his toes off the back foot from Ibrahim Zadran. He's off the mark in confident fashion. Andy McBride, isn't it?
I was
squirted away backward a point. That'll be the first boundary, full in length, and Ibrahim Zadran just open. Successive boundaries. Adair correcting his line, going straighter. That's Gurbaz at his best. Slashing that ball away, backward a point. It's his first boundary, and he's got himself moving. That's bad luck, that really is. It was a beautiful straight drive, two straight from Ibrahim Zadran.
Wow, and the coach would have been very...
6. What a shot that was by Ibrahim Zadran. A little bit of width from Mark Adair.
These are often, so you can be expecting a few shots from Rahmat Shah. The platform is set. It's really important that they... We've seen Mohammad Nabi, he can hit big. Has he mistimed that? Has he? The fielder underneath it, and he takes that.
That's clever, very clever indeed. Backing away, playing it nice and late, and rewarded. His left, leg side, first up, beautifully picked up. That's a great start of the over, half a dozen, first up. 93, very handy, 40. Oh, that's not a bad delivery, first up. Clever from Faruqi. Leg side first up, and he's got that past the keeper. It's going to run away smartly. It is going to be tagged to the result. Didn't take long for that change. No pace in this surface. Oh, it's a lovely punch in front of square. Nicer work by Sterling. He's going to come back for the second.
Yeah, just looking at the way he played it, I wonder if the...
It's gone past the inside edge. Nicely bowled, good channel.
And I think he was expecting... Yeah, so much there.
On the wicket. And that goes past the outside edge this time.
Now, I like the change in approach, and I like it early as well. Just gives the batsman something extra to have to think about.
Again, that time it swung away. That's nicely bowled. Again, keeping low, but swinging away this time. That's the first one I think we've seen swing away, which is probably why. Certainly gets out of the way for just one. 22 innings, Tector, with an average of 58, including 400s. It's a lovely drive. Beautifully punched through extra cover. It's going to be tracked down. Bit of tag teamwork. Oh, it's gone past the outside edge. No, it's nicked it. And up goes that finger. Sterling's not going anywhere. Little shake of the head from Sterling. He doesn't think he nicked that. He's not for Afghanistan. Paul Sterling. Curse Camphor. That's cracked. That's a nice shot. That's right out of the screws. That'll help him. That's his first boundary. Bowled him. That is a beauty. That has just come back enough and hit that off stump quite hard.
It's been a struggle this innings for Andy Balbirnie, unfortunately.
16 runs for Afghanistan to do their second. It means that Tector's at the crease now, and that's the best. And there's a boundary. It's nicely played by Tector. He's off the mark with 4.
Now that fine leg fielder has
Tector, that's brilliant. That is such a good shot. Harry Tector's 6 foot plus, Andrew Balbirnie's 6 foot plus.
It's a lovely shot from Tector. We really have seen him grow up before our eyes over the last couple of years. The World Cup Super League did him a power of good. Well fielded at backward point. Substitute fielder.
At the moment, just bowling around, angling the ball, dying, as we suspected it would do. We felt the pitch was extremely dry, not a blade of grass.
That's nice. A little bit of width, carves it away square on the offside for 4. Tector dealing in boundaries at the moment. That's 3 for him.
Yeah, gets served.
Oh, another wicket too. Well bowled. And again the angle from round the wicket has done for an Ireland batter. It's Curtis Camphor this time. One-day international. 16th player for Ireland to reach that mark.
Straight to Brian. He's trying to hit the ball.
And you'll get 4 more there. Did well to reach it actually in the end. It probably would have been a wide, but he got a thick enough part of the bat on it to send it racing away.
Venue now. Well, poor ball. That is a gift for Harry Tector. It was fast, it was flat, it was short, and Tector said, "Thank you very much."
Well, this is what I
thought you had something special for me. I thought you had something so special there about the bodybuilder Gulbuddin Naib.
That'll do. That's a great shot, loose ball. And smashed for a boundary. 4s.
Oh, Harry!
You'll probably have heard at home, he's none too pleased with himself in that particular delivery. Oh, Harry, no.
Oh, that sloppy fielding. Mohammad Nabi not able to stop this, and that runs down to the boundary. Boundary number 7 for... If you pull this, 300 runs and more. And this, oh, that's brilliant fielding. Has he stopped that? I believe he has.
Slog sweep, risk taken, and reward given to Lorcan Tucker. He's an aggressive player. Ireland want to take the fight to the youngster, put pressure on him.
Didn't have a lot. Oh, this is a shout. Thinks he's got his man, but I believe he's going outside the off stump.
I think, if I can still read the wrist spinners, it's not new, it's 18, 24 months old, but the swept nicely in front to square, and oh dear, well, that is a bit of a shocker.
And of course, just one of those along the ground. It's going to get damp again. 50 up for Tector. That's his 12th one international 50. His first against Afghanistan. He also... Good connection. Nicely played. A couple of bounces and that goes for 4. That's a good start to the over.
Well, picking the length early. Nice over the previous man.
Oh, he's picked that out nicely. That's beautifully played, and that's gone for 4. So that's the third 4 on the over. That's well played against Noor Ahmed.
No.
Shot at the bowler's end. Oh, would have been tight. Think a desperate dive might have got him home. Hope he hasn't burnt some bark off his elbows.
No drops and then putting in the diving effort there.
Enough about Harry Tector. That's their contribution, 68.
That's cute from Tucker. And it's gone for 4. Very clever shot, that.
Yeah, this one's worked out better for him.
Oh, that's 6. Goodness me, that's made a lovely sound off the bat, and it's 50 to Tucker. 4th 50 in one-day international cricket. Crunched over mid-wicket for 6. Much needed boundary for Ireland, and it ends the 34th over. Down towards long off, and it's gone for 4. It's a bold shot. The substitute Riaz Hassan was down there, full length dive, he thought.
Short this time and pulled away with real power for 6. Tector moves into the 90s and Ireland very much in this contest. It's
Players.
This is picked up into the leg side, sorry, Doctor, 1 bounce, it's going to be 4. Lorcan Tucker now moves into the 80s. Where is this game going?
Side.
Big appeal and given. Tucker has a look down at his bats and he can't quite believe he's been given out, but the finger's gone up and the partnership has been broken. It was worth 173. More required for Ireland. They'll need to get that from 11. He calls for 2. He's going to come back. This is the moment for Harry Tector. It's a 5th one-day international century for the man who is...
Yeah, deep man, that's a hell of a catch, I tell you what, that is a beauty. You won't see a better catch all series, charging in. Free hit, long handle, leg side, 6. Well, he's hurt himself here, Harry Tector, or else he got a bit of cramp, I think. He's been out there for a long time, he was cramping.
24 runs required. The Centurion Tector still out. Harry Tector goes down and sweeps this beautifully for a maximum. Just that we were talking about how he'll be picked up. He shuffles across and...
Brilliant! What a ball! What an over! Fazil Haq Faruqi has bowled 5 brilliant Yorkers in that over, and Mark Adair has been done neck and crop.
Well, that
Ireland's number 8, Southpaw, clean striker, good cricket.
and it is that all your fielders should be ready for it. Is that another wicket? Yes, Matt Bryan departs. Azmatullah Omarzai doing the damage alongside Fazil Haq Faruqi. What a sight this is for Afghanistan. One area that...
Reverse from Harry Tector. What a lovely shot that is. Why not? Have a bit of fun. You've played out of your skin. It's all on your... Well, thick outside edge. 3rd is inside the ring. Graham Hume won't care a jot. Boundary to finish the 49th. Omarzai's done. Good.